Don't chat to me, blood.
One of these mirrors, for real.
Too, but like, for real, like.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is a little quick video of me doing an install on my girl Shantae. She came to get a reinstall. She brought her own wig. So yeah, let's get into it. Now, please don't mind my background. I was in the middle of renovating my studio. So yeah, just pay attention to the install and not the background. So just in case y'all wondering why the video is not fit to the screen and is the cropped size, is because originally I actually wasn't even making a YouTube video. I was just recording for recording purposes, and then after the fact I'm like, you know what, I'm just make this a YouTube video because it came out so cute. And y'all, look at that. Like, I'm such a perfectionist. I went to do the same baby hairs like 10 times, but yeah, it came out so cute. She didn't want her wig cut, and she also didn't want the curls combed out, so we left it like that, but it still came out super cute. Usually when I'm curling hair, I always go ahead and layer it and comb out the curls, but she didn't want that. She was definitely feeling herself after the install. It looked super cute. The color fits her skin tone. And yes, the curls were just given. Look at her.
Giving Hollywood, like, for real, like, don't chat to me. Don't chat to me, blood. No, that's the thing UK mans be saying, don't